Yet again, these morons do something stupid. Or don't do a full job. All the rubble they've messed up, left, they've wrecked the roof, made it all bubbled up. It wasn't like that before they got hold of it. All the rubble, didn't bother cleaning up behind them, all the sawdust, their rubbish, and the boiler flue is fucking broken and twisted. Should have been facing that way, not towards my house. It's going down towards someone's garden. I just can't believe what jokers they are. Broke this. Supposed to fix it. Clearly haven't fixed it. There's a screw loose there. Look. What else have they wrecked? Bits of tile. And all this. Look at this. This wasn't like this. Look at it. Absolute fools. What else have they left up here? Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. What cowboy. So now I have to sweep up after them. I'll have to contact Trading Standards or something because of the the mess they've left. But the rubber they've put on made the roof. I said it wasn't nowhere near like that. It was nice and smooth. And then he, owner or whoever, had the cheek to blame previous roofer. It wasn't like that. So to remind you, these are the ones that clearly don't clear up after them and damage other people's property when putting scaffolding on a roof when they had no permission, walking on the roof when they had no permission. That was the new roof, the new with the neighbour. This is the roof next door neighbour who had nothing remotely to do with them, only constant phone calls to get the scaffolding down, constant excuse after excuse after excuse. Comment below if you've had any problems with any roofers or this company. Looking forward to your messages, and I shall see you all in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.